As a busy professional, probably you want to know what exactly is mentioned in a video without watching into it so that you can make the decision whether to watch the entire video or not. Maybe you are a student who wants to retain some information just by understanding the core concept that is mentioned in the video without watching hours and hours of videos. Or probably you are a marketer or researcher like me who wants to watch a lot of videos without going through them and just understand what exactly they are talking about. So I'm going to tell you about an AI tool which will exactly help you achieve this. So hey there, this is Pritesh and I'm back with another interesting video, and today we are going to talk about Glasp. This tool will help you summarize YouTube videos, web pages, Kindle notes, and literally everything you find on the internet. But today we will be just focusing on the YouTube videos. So you just need to install the Chrome extension that they have, and I will quickly give you what all settings they have and how exactly it works. So let me take my own video, for example this one. Once I enter the video, I will see something like this in the sidebar. I will just click on the summarize video tab and it will open ChatGPT. As you can see, the whole transcription is over here, and now it is giving me a 10-point summary of the entire video. As you can see, it is precisely giving me what exactly is mentioned in my video. In fact, you can even edit the options, what exactly you want to do. For example, I will just click on extension settings, and here are all the settings that it has. So I will just quickly turn it into the light mode. Then format, it just tells you what format you want. Suppose you want markdown format, you can check that as well. Then AI tool, which exactly AI tool you want to use. If you want to use Gemini, Claude, or anything else that you want from the options, you can select that. I've just kept it ChatGPT for now. Now this is interesting. Now it will ask me whether I want to keep a particular prompt for the entire video, and that's the first thing it will give to the AI, and after that the transcription of the video will start. Let's say I don't want it in 10 bullet points, I will make it 20. Now I will move ahead, and now this is again interesting. It will ask me whether I want to use any follow-up prompts, as in once your answer is delivered by the AI, it will again give another prompt. So I will add an follow-up. So I will add another prompt over here. Create a tweet out of this video. Just a basic prompt. Now you have a strategy for longer videos, as in podcast or bigger interviews, which you typically use this tool for, and it will ask you whether you want an output in a very broad manner, or if you want a detailed manner, or if you just want it in a comprehensive way. So I've just selected the third option over here, which was suitable for me. Default, this is the default version that depends on how you want to get your outputs. And the rest of the things, there are some keyboard shortcuts, there are some advanced settings which I will just keep as it is, and the rest of the things are pretty much done. So now I want to test it for another video. So I will just go to one of my favorite creators, who is Ali Abdal. So I will just visit his recent video. I just paused it and then again clicked on the ChatGPT icon. As you can see, now the settings have been changed and it has given us 20 bullet points. So I will just select the best one. And now I will create on the second prompt that I have. You can see it has created a nice tweet because I have created a prompt like that. So whatever you want to do after you get those bullet points, feel free to put that in prompts and it will generate the output accordingly. Yeah, that was all about this video, and I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.